Hi everybody, it's Patty Underwood again. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a ring. I'm going to take a piece of this cane and this is going to be the decoration for the front. I'm going to take my little heart cutter again, press it in real well. Poke it out. Now where I poked it, it made a little hole, and this piece is thicker, so I'm going to use the other side. Looks like it has a little bow on it. Okay, now for the ring part, this is the size 6 ring. She has many more sizes, but I'm going to try them out for myself. Okay. When I cut this, I'm going to bevel it inward. Gives it a nice, Tilt the blade and bevel it in. I'm not going to make it too thick. And when I cut this side, I'm also going to bevel it in. I ran this on a number 1. I'm going to also bevel this. And when I find out how much I need and cut the other side, I'm going to bevel it the opposite way. Okay, I'm going to wrap that around, push it in a little, and have my mark. I beveled that out. I'm going to bevel this in. Wrap it around, and they fit perfect. It's the same size, and it's just going to lock in because they're going like that. No scientific way to explain that, is there? Okay, now where this hooks together, that's where I'm going to place my little heart. I'm going to put the whole side down and just put this on here. I'm going to put it to one side. In this case, I just might use some glue. And this is the Lucy Clay glue. Put a dab, press it on, and leave it. Now for baking this, I'm just going to do an accordion fold with cardstock and set it in there so it doesn't distort when it's baking. I think that'll be cute, and it'll go with my little earrings. And I have a dress that has these colors in it, so I'll be sporting that. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.